What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Notice here there is no fender liner. Do you remember when my son and I went to the dealership and they were charging $600 for those fender liners? Accessory package, $599, which is the rear wheel liners. These little guys right here. Well, look right here. Fender liners. 120 bucks on Amazon. So easy. My son is actually going to install them. And it comes with a hardware kit. It comes with bolts. You're going to need 2, 4, 6 for each side. And it's a 10 millimeter. You don't have to do any kind of drilling. But it comes with these right here. Here, will you hold this for a second? And you literally just screw it in like that. And then when you get ready to put them in, they're going to go inside. See the hole there? It's going to go in the hole, and that's what's going to hold it in. And then you tighten them down. So without further ado, I'll get you to go ahead and put that in there. So there's one ready for you. So it literally just sits in, and it only goes one way. You got a right hand and a left hand. Right now we're on the driver's side, which is the left hand. See how easy that just tucks up inside there? You see how that tucks? And you got that. And that's going to tuck up underneath here. There you go. So here's one. You can probably put it over there. Get the whole line up. Too far. Nope. It's got to go in like that. Oh. You may have to push that over a little bit. There you go. Shove it down in there. Let's get the rest of them lined up real quick.
Yeah.
All right, so he's got that one, that one, that one. He's doing that one now. Now they're just finger tight, so I'm gonna put that one in. Like I said, just finger tight, and then he'll go through with a ratchet, and then he's just got to line those two up, and then we'll finish tucking it. You good? Pull it down. Okay, he did struggle with that just a little bit, but he got it in there. Now he's just going to go through and tighten them. They're 10 mil. And you know, being folded in a box, they'll straighten out. And these aren't plastic, these are the felt, like on the front ones. Did you get the bottom one? We'll get out in a minute. So he's just gonna go through and tighten these up. Actually, it doesn't look bad. It gives it a blackout appearance. And then we'll have to finish tucking it. Driver's side's in. It's literally just 2, 4, 6 on each side. You're using the same holes that are already there, and then you get a bag of extra ones. That's the driver's side. It does give it kind of that blackout appearance. Here's the passenger side. There's a bolt. There's a bolt. Kind of like the look. It's all tucked up in. I will recommend when you get it out of the box to lay it out and let it unfold, because it's tucked up inside there. But you can kind of see it right there. But it'll unfold. Kind of like when you get a new mattress. You know, it comes in that really tightly folded air vacuum bag. You just let it unfold so it come up to. But I like it. I'm cool with it. 120 bucks, better than 599 bucks. But like I said, I'll leave a link down in the description where you guys can pick up one of these off of Amazon. Thank you to my son for installing these. He did a fabulous job. Easy peasy. 10 minutes install, 5 minutes per side. Good to go.